Little bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. Little bitch, come to my motel. I'll slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a glitter look, maybe a little bit of glitter. I don't know how much glitter I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do a glitter look. And yeah, let's just get into the video. First thing I'm gonna be doing is moisturizing my lips. So I'm gonna be using my A1 Aesthetics clear gloss. It's a clear gloss, but it's also a lip moisturizer. Like, it doesn't make your lips dry, and it's not sticky. It's a moisturizer with shine, period. I'm gonna start on my brows. I'm gonna do my brows with the A1 Aesthetics signature eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the black. As you can see, I be using this palette. I be using the hell out of this palette.
I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. Now you feel some kind of way. Go ahead.
This is what we have. A mess. So next I'm gonna be cleaning up my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan.
Now I'm getting high just to get by, cause I've been without you. I sleep without you. I ain't think about you. I don't want you. I'm killing beats, yeah. I'm a monster. Now you in your feelings. Call your new man. I don't need you. I got a new fan. Had to work it out. I got a new plan. Now I'm spitting gold like I got a new tan. I don't want you. All your excuses, everyday mood swing, shit so confusing. Though we was a winning team, but I see we lose.
So now I'm done my brows. Well, the foundation, the base, yeah. And I'm just gonna brush that out, blend it in.
Fix your face. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way, little bitch. Why you mad? Fix your face.
I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 370.
I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way.
So now the eyes are primed. Now I'm looking like a chink. So I'm going to be taking my James Charles palette, and I'm going to be going in with the color... You guys, look at this. Yo, and that's like the color that I need. What to do. Okay, I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna be using this purple right here. I don't know the name, but I'm gonna be using it. The little bit that is there, and I'm gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna put this on tacky concealer. So I'm putting it on my outer crease. I feel like I don't know makeup terms anymore. I haven't done a makeup video in so long. But I'm putting it on my outer crease, and I'm building it up into my brow bone. Now I'm going in with this deeper purple right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease right below it.
When we started falling off, focused on my craft, getting paid for my art, money can't buy.
So now I'm taking this hot pink right here. I'm gonna put that in my inner crease.
Think it's time to leave you alone. Hey, little bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way, little bitch. Why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing.
I'm gonna go in and blend these colors in the crease.
Feel some kind of way. Go ahead and fix your face. You was running game. I was making plays. Look at me.
So now I'm gonna take this pink like shimmer color. I'm gonna take this pink shimmer color right here and I'm gonna put that on the halo.
I'm killing beats, yeah. I'm a monster. Now you in your feelings. Call you new man. I don't need you. I got a
Now I'm gonna do the next eye. I'm gonna prime my face using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer.
I don't want you. All your excuses. Everyday mood swing. Shit so confusing. Though we was a winning team, but I see we losing. Now I don't give a fuck.
I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 450.
Pain is gone. Think it's time to leave you alone. Hey, little bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way, little bitch. Why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way.
Next, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Concealer. And I'm taking my Beauty Blender and my Morphe Setting Spray. For contour, I'm going to be using my A1 Aesthetics palette again, and I'm going to be using the shade Heat right here. It has a beautiful red undertone and looks so good. Now I'm going to set my face.
I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way. Now you feel some kind of way, okay? But you was only your phase, and you had me in the day. Now I'm not moving the same. I don't feel no more pain. Only felt clouds of rain, but I had to restrain. Your love like minimum wage. I work too hard for you, girl. I'm too small for you, and I don't know why I ever gave my heart to you. And that shit wasn't through, cause baby girl, you wasn't real at all. Now every time you hit me up, I decline your call. Hey, live it up today, cause I might not see tomorrow. Hey, curry with the pull up, grind, they set the bar. Hey, had to give you space, now I'm living with the stars. Cause baby, I'ma shine, even when the time get dark. Still right by your side, even when the times was hard. When autumn came around, that's when we started.
Mario Bros Smasher. Go back in with Heat, and I'm gonna deepen that up just a tad. Gonna use this glitter. I'm back with my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Highlight and Hustla Baby. Are we gonna OD with the highlight? Lord God. Someone on me is a real Jamaican. This woman said highlight. But yes, we're gonna OD with the highlight. Oh shit, it's a blackout. And on the third day, God said, let there be light. I'm gonna be using A1 Aesthetics Foreign. Okay, now I need some lashes. I found my lashes, y'all. Guys, this is the finished look. It's gonna close up on the eyes.
Though we was a winning team, but I see we losing. Now I don't give a fuck what you doing. I think about the times you did me wrong. Writing songs, now all the pain is gone. Think it's time to leave you alone. Hey, little bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing on you for some kind of way.
So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I really enjoyed making it. And all the products I use will be listed down below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Peace.
Baby, won't you come to my motel?